Hi everyone, this is Dani from danicctutorials. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to transform this Mickey from dollar store that is only $1 and the Mickey Star Wars version. Really cool, really easy to put in a cake, to make a candle. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to subscribe so you can find me again, and also press the bell button so you can see notifications for new videos. We have Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday new videos at 8. So as you can see, I had those three with me. Let's start with Minnie. I took her bow off, and you can see there's a little glue and things like that. Just sand it, use a little sandpaper or a nail file and take it off. And then I painted black just to be sure then when I sand it, it didn't change the color. And then we are going to start with a little bit of clay. I'm using the light air dry clay to cover the whole front part of the head. All the materials, I will have the link down below, and I also have a link for Dollar Tree so you guys can see if you want to buy at home, you don't want to go there, or also you can also check your Dollar Tree around your house. So as you can see, I just want to cover the whole black part of her hair, her head, like with the new hair that we're giving to her, like a Princess Leia hair. Just like that, just being careful with the little corners because Mickey and Minnie has this arch on their faces and we want to keep that. It's a very cool way for you to make a candle or cake topper if you are not really sure in how to make them, and anybody can do it. It's $1. The clay is not expensive and you can just make yours. I mark the center of the head and I'm just making hairs going down both sides. And now we are going just to make a long snake for each of the sides. You're just gonna roll the snake up like you make a snail. I don't know anything else than like a lollipop. That would be easier. And we're gonna put in both sides to make that princess, like buns on the side of her head. So we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. Just like that. And her hair is done. I'm gonna open a little bit of white and cut it in the middle, a little circle. I'm using a tip, like piping tip, and then we are going to cut one side straight so you can open that half circle, and that's gonna be her skirt. As a very easy way to go around and make a skirt. So we're gonna go around, leaving her hands out of the dress. So just smooth it out, cut the excess off, and make that seams disappear, and just use your hands to pull that excess around up. So when she's standing on the table, the dress is opening up. I made a little tiny triangle, and I'm gonna cover the top part of the dress, and then we're gonna do that to the back as well. And I made a big triangle for like a tail on her dress just to make more magical. Just like that. And now I made a roll a little thick to make that top part of the dress. Then it's kind of like a thick roll. And we're gonna go all over, covering any pink on her neck that we can see. And then we get the seams on the back and just get the excess off. And then make the seams on the back disappear. You can also find this package with this air dry clay on Amazon that comes every single color, and it's like $9. So you can make this cake topper for yourself pretty easy. And now we're done with Minnie, we are going to start Mickey. we are going to start with the hands. I took the hands off because I want to make his hands a little bigger, and I wanted to put the jacket and things like that. So I decided to make the hands just a triangle shape. And now I am covering his little shoes with brown to match the outfit. The same thing we're gonna do for the other shoe, and just get the excess to the bottom of the feet, and then you can cut it, but I like to cover the bottom too. Just like so. And now we're gonna do the other one. I mixed a little bit of brown with white, and I wanted to show you guys because I put just a tiny bit. You just want it to be like a beige color, and then I cut it a V shape and an oval shape just to make the under the jacket shirt. And then we're gonna just place on the front because the back we're not gonna see it. Crunch it up like that, just to be just there, and you can see his legs and everything. Now I made a little tiny snake with brown for his belt. And we're almost done. It's a super easy tutorial, and we are going to make his jacket. So you're gonna need to cut pieces like that for the front jacket separate, and then for both sides, and then to the back. It's gonna be very hard to put it the whole thing all together. And you can see before I start putting the jacket, I put the hands back in place, so I know what the jacket needs to be. I'm covering the top part of the arms too, like a sleeve, so it needs to be brown, both sides. And now we are going to make the back part. So you make a circle, and then we are going to cut, like round it like this, and then round it in the bottom. It's kind of like a volcano shape. That's the only thing that came to my mind. And now I'm just gonna make the seams to disappear, and then we are going to put it on the back. Get the excess to touch the front part of the sleeve. Just bend it to the back and cut it if you think it's too big. You want it just a little bit. It's not a dress, it's just a jacket, but it's still touching the floor. And they are done. And this is just a bonus pack. I had it Pluto, so I decided to transform Pluto in a Dark Vader style. Pretty simple. Just make a circle in black, and then we're gonna cover him. I cover the ears, just one side, the other ear up. The only thing I made it was to make another tail and put on the top of there after the video, because I felt like the tail should be out. But as in the toy, the tail is on the body, so it's impossible to leave it out. So I decided, and I put another tail on top of it. And I'm just covering a little bit of his legs, a little bit leaving it out. And then you can just leave him like this, or you can cover his face and then just make some stripes in red just to make him bad. And that's it. You can make this in pretty little cakes. You can get a cake on your favorite grocery store and then just decorate with this and some stars. You can make a candle next to it. You can put even the candle on top of them, just hot glue the candle on it. So it's pretty much, you can make anything with this Mickey, and they're super cute. So we are all done. You can make this for less than $10 if you need to buy everything, and it's super cute, and everybody loves Star Wars, so why not making a easy, fast cake topper or candle or any figurine for any Star Wars lovers. Thank you so much. If you like this video, leave me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below so I know what you're going to see. Check it out, the old tutorials. There's a bunch of cool ones. And I talk to you guys pretty soon. Bye.